Alrighty, so today we are going to be showing a quick demonstration on how to use our brand new Mfinity wrap coating on this freshly wrapped Harley Davidson. We're going to make sure the surface stays nice and protected and water resistant. So our next step is normally going to involve Mfinity prep, but since this is a fresh wrap, we're just going to skip that step and go right to denatured alcohol over the whole bike. What this denatured alcohol is going to do is make sure your surface is 100% free of oil, contaminants, and you have a perfect coatable surface. Alright, now that we got a nice prep surface, I'm going to take my brand new bottle of Mfinity, I'm going to crack it open. And what you're going to do is you're going to prep your applicator pad with about 6 to 8 drops because you want to make sure that that surface is wet and you don't want to just drag it across. Okay, now that you got a couple drops on your applicator pad, what you're going to do, work it around. Now that you don't see any more drops, what you'll do is you'll take 6 to 8 more. Rub it in one more time. Now you're ready to coat your surface. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do small sections. But since this is a bike, it's small in itself. Normally I would do 2 foot by 3 foot sections on a car, SUV, truck, etc. It's just you wanna put as much product on as evenly as possible. So what we'll do is we'll start what you want to do is you want to make sure the surface is evenly getting coated. Don't be afraid to hit the small areas that are out of reach either. They can always be smoothed out. Now another awesome thing about Mfinity is you have a whole 60 seconds for the product to lay and set. After that, you're looking at 1 to 3 hours for cure time, and then about 3 to 4 days depending on weather conditions. All right, now that we got our surface smoothed out, what we'll do now is we'll give it 60 seconds to wait, and we'll take our first towel, our smoothing towel, to make sure the surface is laid correctly. Then what we'll do is we'll take a finalized one just to make sure everything is smooth and there's no blemishes, any differences in the coating, etc. Because when I say that, I mean high spots. High spots, you'll see a general clump of coating in one place compared to you see across this whole motorcycle how evenly it's supplied. So we'll cut back here in about 60 seconds once this is laid, and we'll show you how to wipe it. All right, now that 60 seconds has gone by, what we'll do is we'll show you how to evenly make sure the surface is applied. What you want to do is you want to use gentle pressure, but also make sure the product is still laying flat. Use the same application style that you applied the product with to ensure smoothness in the perfect results. All right, now that we got that surface flat, what we'll do is we'll wait an additional 10 seconds. What that's doing is it's giving the coating time to sit there for a second and understand what it's doing on the wrap itself. So now that about 10 seconds has elapsed, we're gonna go ahead and make sure the surface is 100% smooth. Mind you, I am not using the same rag both times. I recommend to flip your rags often because you do not want coating to bunch up on one side to lay unevenly. Now we have an evenly ceramic coated surface. Alright, so we got our applicator pad prepped again. What I'm going to do now is show you what's different about Mfinity than the other coatings on the market. What Mfinity does is it does not alter your matte finish, basically. You got this beautiful matte design, you want to keep it matte. I understand that. That's why Mfinity has you covered. What we're going to do is we're going to do half this tank just to go ahead and show you what it does to the wrap that's already on there and how much it enhances your look, not changes it. Alright, we'll see you in 60 seconds once this is set. Alright, now that 60 seconds has gone by and we've let the product seep into all the little pores of the wrap, what we're going to do is we're just going to wipe it off evenly. Just even pressure across the whole tank, up, down, side to side. Now we'll wait about 10 more seconds before we give it the final. For the final, really light pressure. All you're doing is just trying to get those couple little spots that might have not wanted to lay evenly. As you can see, with these results, I achieved that for a smooth, flat finish on the tank. Now what we'll show you is we only coated half of the tank, just to go ahead and show you the results that you're gonna get with Mfinity. We got top coated, lower half uncoated.